children, I have sent you my videos related to chapter chemical effect of electric current. Have you people watched the video? All of you? So today I'll be asking you the questions related to that. Side by side I'll be revising the chapter. Okay, I'll be revising and I'll be asking the questions. So the first question, I want to give you some instructions. The instructions are, whosoever's name I'll take, only that child will give the answer. Others who know the answer, they will simply raise the hand. I will see those who are raising the hand, I can pick them, or those who are not raising hand, I can pick them also. So it's my wish who will give the answer. Okay, if you raise the hand, I can understand that you know the answer. Don't say on the audio that may I tell the answer, may I tell the answer. This is not allowed. Okay, so our chapter is chemical effect of electric current. Clear? So first question is, how many type of charges are there? How many type of charges are there? This is the first question. Raise the hand if you know the answer. Yes, only 4 children have raised the hand. Raise the hand if you know the answer. If you know the type of charges. Who is giving answer? I didn't taken any name. Children, please don't violate the instructions. It will be very good for our class. It will be a very fructive class if you follow the instructions. Okay, please don't give the answer unless I say you. Let me see how they are doing, whether they are watching the videos that I am sending or not, whether they are attending the lectures, they are serious for their studies or not. Let me ask this question to Bhavan. Bhavan, please tell me, how many type of charges are there? Bhavan, I am asking you. Bhavan, how many type of charges are there? Can you hear me? If you don't give answer, it means you don't know the answer and you don't want to give the answer. I will be Why you have not watched the video? Is it fun going on in the classes? If I am sending you some video, you should watch the video. It was your time. It means you are not attending the school. You are not attending your timetable. As per timetable, I am sending the videos. I am not sending like that. Where are others? Let me ask this question to Kanan. Yes, Kanan. How many type of charges are there? 2 type of charges. Very good. There are 2 type of charges. Umang. Umang. Tell me the type of charges.
Sir, there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge.
Positive charge and negative charge. Very good. Let me ask others now. Riddhi Verma.
Yes, sir.
How an object become positively charged and how an object become negatively charged?
Sir, atoms में न्यूक्लियस होता है, जो प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज करते हैं, एटम्स को, और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नेगेटिवली चार्ज करते हैं।
Right now, if I say this is an atom, initial state पे तो ये neutral होगा. This will be neutral at initial stage. Okay. If I want to make it negatively charged, what should I do?
तो सर सबसे पहले जो हमारा न्यूक्लियस होता है उसमें प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं, और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो फ्लो कर देते हैं जो नेगेटिव होते हैं, तो उससे हमारा जो एटम होता है वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज होता है।
If we add electrons to this atom, the simple as it is, if we add electrons to this atom, this will become negatively charged. If I remove the electrons from the atom, it will become positively charged. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let me ask another question. This question is to, there are two children in the class whose name written is iPhone. I am going to remove you whether you change your name. Those who have written iPhone, I don't want any child without name in the class. Subeg Singh. Subeg Singh. Can you hear me? No. You can't hear me. Tehzeeb.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by current?
Sir, current means flow of charge.
Current means flow of charge. Incomplete definition. Any other child?
Flow of charge as per time.
Very good. It is flow of charge per unit time. Good, good. Very good answer. Right answer. Aryan Khosla. Aryan Khosla. Aryan Khosla. Aditya Vaid. How many times I have to tell you to put your phone on mute? Bhumika Goyal. Bhumika Goyal. What do you mean by current? What do you mean by current? So current is basically how much charge is flowing through a particular time. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Can any other student can tell me what I had explained else to that in that video, in that lecture? I had explained so many things. Can anyone recall the things? Can Vedant do this? Vedant Gupta, can you do that? Can you repeat the things I had explained in the video? Yes, Vedant. Can you explain? Vedant, I can't hear you. You are not speaking anything. Your mic is not working. Aditya Vaid has raised the hand. You want to say something? You can unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Why not?
सर आपने बताया था कि जैसे मान लो कोई भी चीज है उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे एटम्स होते हैं
Very good. There are atoms.
उसके अंदर एक छोटी सी चीज होती है जिसे न्यूक्लियस कहते हैं
Very good. That is called nucleus. Very nice. Wait. One by one. Wait. Nucleus carries the protons and neutrons. Very good. Protons carry positive charge. Neutrons are neutral. They do not have any charge. Very good. Next.
सर आपने वो बैटरी का सिंबल बताया था
Yes. I had turned it off. Animation I had turned. Let me turn it on. Then you can do it. Okay. Yes. You draw the symbol of battery on the screen. Draw the symbol of battery on the screen.
बैटरी और
Battery. Yes. Uh, it, it is incorrect. Wait for a while. Let me see who's talking to me. No problem. You put it off. Put it off. Any other child want to do this? Abhijit Singh. Abhijit Singh, draw the symbol of battery on the screen. Abhijit Singh. Let me tell you, this way the things will not work properly. Let me explain. I'm going to raise it. Let me clear this. What is the symbol of battery? First of all, you need to understand battery is basically a combination of cells. Battery is basically combination of cell. This is cell 1. Okay, this big line is for positive terminal, this small line is for negative terminal. Then again this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. So there are two cells I have drawn on the screen. If you connect these two cells with each other, the negative terminal of the battery with the positive terminal, so this will become a battery. This is positive negative, so positive negative positive negative, positive negative positive negative, so this becomes a battery. This is a symbol for battery. Clear? Yes or no? Very good. So this is symbol for battery. Now let me ask others. Yeah, wait. You have to tell your name first. Whenever you speak, you should say your name, then you start speaking. Yes,
सर आपने एक और चीज बताई थी
yes.
कि जैसे मान लो जो अगर जैसे मान लो कोई आइटम है उसके
Hmm.
अंदर जो उसके दोनों साइड से अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो और नेगेटिव चार्ज भी लगे
Hmm.
तो जो ये मतलब प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं वो जैसे रिपेल करते हैं ना प्लस
Hmm. Yeah, you are trying to say. Let me ask others. Wait for a while. Let me ask the children. Amrit Kaur. Amrit Kaur, unmute yourself. Amrit Kaur. Yes, Amrit Kaur. Uh, can you tell me? Can you tell me what is that? I had marked it on the screen. Can you tell me what is this? Yes. What is this? This one also. Yes. 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 This is a wire. Yes, you are right. Karman Beer had given the answer. This is a copper wire. Very good, Karman. It could be copper also. It could be of other material also. It should be a good connector. There could be aluminium wire can also be used. Okay. So this is basically a wire. I was just asking to whether you are in the class or listening or not. Now let's move to Khushnoor. Khushnoor, unmute yourself. Khushnoor. Khushnoor. I feel she's not listening. Divyanshi. Divyanshi. Very good. Simranjeet had given me the answer. Simranjeet, you are right. He had messaged me and he is saying that, sir, the left circuit that right now you can see on your screen, he is saying that, sir, the left circuit is an open circuit. This is an, I had explained this in the video also, open circuit and closed circuit. Yes or no? So this is open circuit. Why this is open circuit? Let's say this is the positive terminal of the battery. This is negative terminal of the battery. So here a bulb is there. Okay, it is connected. The positive terminal of the wire is connected to the one wire of the bulb, and the other wire of the bulb is there, and the negative side, negative wire from the battery is there. If the two wires are not connected, it means the bulb will not glow. There will be no glow on the bulb because circuit is open. Yes or no? Now if I close the, if I connect the wires, if I connect these wires here, so what will happen? Your, let's say this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. So your current will flow from positive to negative and the circuit will become complete. Circuit will be complete. Clear? Yes or no? So that is about your open circuit and closed circuit. Can any child read what is written on the screen? Let me give this task to, I will give the task. Let me give this task to Mridul Sekhri. Mridul Sekhri, just read it out what is written on the screen. Yes.
Yes. Conduction tester. A conduction tester is a device used to determine whether a substance is a good or poor conductor of electricity.
Very good.
Conduction tester uses a torch bulb. A simple conduction tester has an electric cell and a torch bulb. One terminal of the cell is connected to the one terminal of the bulb by a wire. The other terminal of the cell and the bulb have wires which can be brought in contact with materials to test whether they are good or poor conductors of electricity. If the material is a good conductor, the bulb glows, and if it is a poor conductor, the bulb does not glow.
Very good. So what do you understand from this? What do you understand from this? Hardik Agarwal, if screen is not visible on your screen, then what can I do? You can disconnect the video and you can join it again. This could be the only suggestion I can suggest. Let me ask others. Let me ask this to. There are so many. Manvi. What do you understand by these lines which are written on the screen? What do you understand by this? Yes. सर्किट तो ठीक है बेटा, बट आई एम आस्किंग यू व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? जो ऊपर लिखा है, जो अभी मृदुल ने पढ़ा है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दीज लाइंस? क्या मतलब है उन लाइंस का? इट मींस यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग, यू आर सिंपली इन द क्लास एंड नॉट लिसनिंग टू एनीथिंग. यस, you are present. Although there could be so many excuses. Let me go to Meher. Meher,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the meaning of the lines written on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the meaning?
सर वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है जो सही कंडक्शन टेस्टर ये डिवाइस जिससे हम डिटरमाइन करते हैं कि जो सब्सटेंस है वो गुड है और पुअर कंडक्टर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का.
हाँ, कैसे टेस्ट करोगे?
सुपर कंडक्टर सर उसका ये नीचे दिया हुआ है
यस, क्या दिया हुआ है?
सर.
If, now listen to me carefully, if you connect a wire here, let's say I'm connecting a piece here, if this is a conductor, if this is a conductor, अगर ये कंडक्टर है, okay, so what will happen? The bulb will start glowing. There will be glow on the bulb. Yes, if this is a conductor, then bulb will glow. Why? Because the positive end and negative end, they will connect with each other and circuit will be complete. Your current will flow through. So we will say that this is a conductor if the wire, if we connect a piece of metal or whatsoever here or a wire, if the bulb start glowing, it means that piece that I have connected is a good conductor of electricity. If I had connected a piece and the bulb is not glowing, let's say the bulb is not glowing, I had connected a piece of wire here and the bulb is not glowing. It is as it is like right now. So I will say that this material is an insulator. It is an insulator, so current cannot flow through it. It is an insulator. Clear? So with that, with a simple thing, with this simple thing, we can understand whether the objects are conductors or insulator. So this could be used as a tester. Yes, Aditya, you want to ask something? Yes. Yes, if the wire should be ये जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, देखो पहला क्वेश्चन आपका ये है कि क्या वायर भी जो है वैसी होनी चाहिए जो करंट को सह सके. यस, योर आंसर इज राइट. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो करेगा तो द वायर विल गेट हीटेड अप। मैंने बताया था हीटिंग होती है, लेक्चर के अंदर वीडियो में मैंने बताया था, हीट होके ये मेल्ट कर जाएगी। यस, अगर ये बिल्कुल बारीक वायर है, बिल्कुल थिन वायर है, सो बहुत जल्दी हीट हो जाएगी और ये जल्दी मेल्ट कर जाएगी। सो जिस अकॉर्डिंग जितना करंट उसमें फ्लो करेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें उतनी मोटी वायर जो है कनेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी। जनरली ये आपको आपके घरों में मीटर में से जो पीछे आपका जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड का जो मीटर होता है उसमें जो वायर आती है वो 10 mm की होती है। आपके जो एसी की वायर होती है, एसी की वायर जो होती है वो आपकी 4 mm की होती है, बिकॉज उसमें ज़्यादा मोटा चाहिए। और जो जनरल आपकी जिसमें आपको पंखा चलाना है या आपका बल्ब चलाना है, दैट इज ऑफ 1.5 mm। ओके,
सर जो ये वायर होती है उनका एक स्टैंडर्ड साइज होता है?
yes, they are having their standard size. If you go to market you have to ask for 1 mm, 1.5 mm or 4 mm, 10 mm. So 10 mm means that their diameter, this thing, the thick, the diameter of the wire. Okay, so there are different wires for different current carrying capacity. Very good question, very good. Yes, let me ask others also if they are in the class, if they are listening, I will come to know. Now here you can see we can make a conduction tester using an LED also. Clear? We can make a conduction tester using an LED also. Umang, do you want to say something? Shikha? Shikha Garg?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बच्चे.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
सर का कभी जैसे करके मीटर्स जो होते हैं जैसे उनकी वायर मेल्ट कर जाती है वो इसी रीजन के लिए कर जाती है?
यस यस, समटाइम्स क्या होता है, जैसे आपका मान लो पुरानी घर में जो वायरिंग है वो पुरानी हो रखी है और तब तो पहले एसी नहीं थे। यस, तो अभी एसी आ गए तो करंट जो है एसी जो है उसका लोड ज़्यादा होता है तो वो ज़्यादा करंट एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा। अगर आपके घर में ये जो वायर है अगर ये पतली है वायर या थिन वायर है, ज़्यादा मोटी वायर नहीं है, सो दिस वायर विल मेल्ट इट आउट, दिस वायर विल मेल्ट आउट। सो दिस इज द
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो
वेरी गुड, गुड क्वेश्चन उमंग, appreciated बेटे। यस
मच। आपकी वीडियो में एक चीज समझ नहीं आई
यस
कि जैसे जब आपने कहा था कि अगर करंट फ्लो करता है
यस
इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसके आसपास हो जाती
यस,
है।
वो इसलिए होती है क्योंकि जब चार्ज फ्लो होता है तो वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करता है। इट इज गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब, प्लीज पुट योर फोन ऑन म्यूट। यस,
सर वो कैसे?
वो कैसे, ये नेचर में ही होता है जब कोई चार्ज फ्लो करता है आपका,
जो अंदर पार्टिकल्स फ्लो करते हैं तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड
जो जो चार्ज की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, जब आपका चार्ज फ्लो करेगा, लेट्स से दिस इज अ चार्ज, okay, and this is flowing, this is charge is basically fundamental property of matter। okay, चार्ज जो है वो फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी है, जैसे मास है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का। ओके, तो अभी आप जैसे आपने सुना है ग्रेविटेशन के बारे में सुना है, एक मास है m1। ओके, लेट्स से दिस इज सन एंड दिस इज योर अर्थ, सो देयर आर टू masses, so they are attracting each other, there is force of attraction between the two particles, this is mass 1, this is mass 2, so mass is the fundamental property of matter, there will be nothing in this world which is not having any mass। if you say that object is there but it is not having any mass, I will not consider that object an object, because if there is an object it should have mass। yes, so if there are two objects, this is m1 and m2, so there will be force of gravitation between them, mass is also fundamental property। so the same way if their charge is flowing, if the charge is stationary, अगर चार्ज खड़ा है मूव नहीं कर रहा है, there will be no magnetic field produced around it। okay, and if the charge is flowing, if this charge is flowing in a conductor, let's say you have connected I have a conductor here and I have connected it with a battery here, and now what's happening, your charge is flowing, the electrons are moving from negative terminal to the positive terminal, so obviously around this conductor, inside the conductor also charges are moving, so around this conductor there will be मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस इन असेंबली। आपने एक माइट बी यू पीपल वर वेरी स्मॉल दैट टाइम, मैंने एक बार एक इलेक्ट्रिक क्रेन दिखाया था, इफ यू रिमेंबर। वो क्रेन यू नो वो, हाँ यस आई हैड शोन इलेक्ट्रिक क्रेन। तो वो आयरन के पार्टिकल्स को जैसे हम कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो जैसे ही हम स्विच बटन दबाएंगे तो वो आयरन के पार्टिकल्स को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर रहा था, एक आयरन का पीस। सो दैट इज, yes, that was electromagnet. So doubt is clear. Very good. Other children, they are sleeping. Kirat Pal Kaur Chima, Manveer Kaur, you people are not asking any question. Navya Narang, yes. Rushil, Sneha, Sudhanshu, Sukirat, Vedant, Yatesh, no response. No doubt, you people don't have any doubt. Abhijit Singh, yes. Bhumika Goyal, you are having any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, why the current in the video you have said that the current flows from positive to negative terminal.
Yes.
But in the case of electrons, they flow from negative to positive.
Yes, this is basically, yes, difference between them is that you need to understand actually your charge flows from negative to positive terminal. Actually your charge flows from negative to positive terminal, but in the starting when there were investigations going on the current, so at that time they were not able to understand that how your charge flows. So in the starting they had considered that current flows from positive to negative terminal, so we used to say conventional current. This current is called conventional current. This conventional current flows from positive to negative. And electronic current, the current due to electrons, electronic current, it is from negative to positive. So we are talking about conventional current. So we'll talk that current flows from positive to negative. It is just a direction taken, okay? Nothing new is there. Yes, any other doubt? Any other doubt? Yes, students? Yes, Tazeeb, you want to ask?
Sir, if we have to define what is charge, so what will we say?
What is charge? That is really a tough question to answer. Charge is basically fundamental property of matter that you will see. Okay, if the object lose electron, it will become positively charged, and if the object gains electron, it will become negatively charged. Clear? Any other student you want to ask the question? Yes. Okay, so this is basically on the screen you can see there is a resistor, LED and a battery connected. With the help of LED you can make the that tester you can make. How you can make the tester? This is LED here. If this is if the wire is conducting, so LED will glow. If the wire is not conducting, the LED will not glow. So here you can also find out whether it is a conductor or insulator connected in between. Okay. So this is basically what I was talking about. This is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. Now if I connect these wires with each other, what will happen? This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Current will start flowing through the wire and it will enter from here, leave here and enter into the cell there. So what will happen? This is a wire and the current is flowing through it. So what will be there? There will be magnetic effect. And you can feel ये जो आपके नीचे कंपास जो पड़ा है, ये जो नीचे कंपास पड़ा है, it will deflect and deflection बताएगी कि वाकई में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रही है. Yes. Yes.
पर जैसे विंडमिल होती है तो वो गोल घूमती है तो उससे कैसे सर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होती है?
विंड मिल गोल घूमती है, नजर आता है गोल घूमती है, लेकिन उसके पीछे हमने जनरेटर कनेक्ट किया होता है. And when this rod rotates, there are fans, they rotate with the help of air, and when these fans rotate, with these fans the rod also rotates and the generator in turn connected rotates and produce electric current. Now how generator produce electric current, that will not talk right now. Okay, that will talk later on. Clear? Okay children, if you are not having any doubt, we'll see you people in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you for making this class interactive. You can leave the class now. Okay bache.